Hi, my name is Adam and I work in the ramsac IT operations team. In this video, we're going to go over the AutoElevate solution that your organisation has asked ramsac to deploy. AutoElevate is a small program that is designed to take the hassle out of Windows elevation requests. It allows your organisation to remain secure by being able to restrict local admin rights on its devices, all without the negative impact that is normally experienced when this right is removed. The program allows your organisation to decide what users should and shouldn't be able to install. Once this has been decided, rules will be created that allow auto-approve elevation requests for programs and actions that have been pre-approved. If you were to elevate a pre-approved application or installer, you would find that it will automatically elevate without you needing to make any changes. It also gives everyone in your organisation a way of requesting elevation rights on demand when they are required. As an example, let's say you need to install the latest version of Java to help complete a task you've been assigned. Java has not been pre-approved in your organisation yet. When you attempt to run the installer, you will initially witness the usual elevation window that you may have come accustomed to. When this happens, you will see AutoElevate quickly detects the request and takes over. AutoElevate will detect that Java has not been pre-approved and will ask if you want to elevate the program you have opened. If you respond yes to this question, AutoElevate will instantly raise a ticket with ramsac support, who will then review and approve your request if it is deemed safe and not malicious. Once ramsac has approved the request, it will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes for your device to detect the approval, and at which point you'll be informed that your request has been approved, and you'll be asked if you would like to open the program now or later. If you choose later, you'll need to open the program again you tried to elevate. What is great about this system is that if you open a program that hasn't been pre-approved yet, it's still possible it may be found from your request that the program should be approved automatically going forward, meaning you will never have to elevate it again. For those in more technical roles or who already have the details of a local admin account they can use, there's an option called Technician Mode, which can be selected when the AutoElevate prompt first appears. Once this option has been activated, all further elevation requests will behave as they usually would, allowing you to enter local admin credentials. Once Technician Mode is no longer required, click on the Back to Live Mode button. As you can see, AutoElevate is designed to increase your organisation's security, while at the same time causing the least amount of disruption security changes are normally associated with. Thank you so much for your time and for assisting your organisation rolling out AutoElevate. If you have any questions or concerns about AutoElevate, please do not hesitate to respond to our email so that we can make sure that you have all the information you need and can address any issues you may have. Thank you.